Welcome back to Old Man Wisdom. This week again we're looking at the EURUSD. In front of you you have the same chart, but to the left here we're looking at a price action strategy, and to the right we have a non-repaint mt4 indicator strategy. So let's just firstly go to the price action. You'll see here that these lines here were from last week, and I've put the little blue rectangle here that represents where the markets opened Sunday evening here in the UK. So these lines are from last week. What I wanted to do was see price come back up to this level here, with this blue level here that I plotted some weeks ago now. Unfortunately, it didn't make it up to that high. It just kept on fading away, look. And it obviously worked its way all the way down. There was no pullback, unfortunately, to be seen. My analysis was right in that we was looking for a sell opportunity. We just never really was able to get in. Let me just extend this all the way out, and you'll see here that we are now fast approaching quite a key area. Now, only one of two things will happen here. So obviously prices come up into this area, and we're going to see that price either fades away and comes up to stall before coming back down, or of course we'll see that price breaks all the way through, stalls at the top or within this level, and carries on upwards. Now, we don't really quite know which way this is going to play out. However, what we do need to do is start by checking what price is doing at this level. Now, I did this last week. I'm going to do the same again. The reason why I plotted this area in the first place was because it fell right in between the 50 and the 61.8 Fibonacci level. So this level here is still very, very applicable. So what I want to see for next week, it's maybe a little bit too soon to be entering now, is we want to see price stalling at this level within this area here. If you notice here, look, it's stalled for quite a number of hours, in fact nearly a whole day, before it faded away. So we're going to get that here, lots of little candles where it stalls and can't move anywhere, or we're going to see quite a few long wicks to the ends of these candles, which again will represent the fact that price is struggling to move any higher than this area here. Now, this whole complete area is no more than 35 pips in size. So whenever we see price stalling, if that's what it does, we don't need to have a huge stop loss. If we're going to sell the market, we don't need a huge stop loss. We just need it just above this area. But we don't want to be entering a sell opportunity unless we see price stalling or stuttering around this level here, this zone. So obviously this is the first candle or second candle that's reached this area, and it's too early yet to be knowing whether or not price is going to struggle to burst all the way through. But currently I'll be looking for a sell opportunity, provided that price continues to struggle to go above or through with any significance this area here. As for our non-repaint mt4 indicator, well, again, I wanted last week to see price go up. If you look down here, the MACD was quite a long way from the zero line, but now it's on or in this little area here. So if price goes a lot higher and we get a buy opportunity or a buy signal, we're not going to take it, or at least not currently where it is now, because if price is below this multi-time frame moving average, then the only thing we're looking for is to sell. If price spikes right the way up and goes above this multi-time frame moving average, and we get a buy signal or a buy arrow, then okay, we will buy. But currently price remains below this multi-time frame moving average, and there's a good chance that we're going to get a sell signal pretty soon. But of course we're going to have to wait and see. So I'll put these lines here. What we're hoping for is a sell opportunity because price remains below this moving average. So that's the outlook for next week on our non-repaint mt4 indicator strategy. This last week, of course, we've seen no signals. We've took no trades. not since last week where we had this beautiful sell opportunity right up here. But there you have it, price action trading over here on the left, and on here on the right, indicator strategy over here. If you would like to know more about how these trading systems work, we have a plethora of videos to look back on, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and take a look at our previous videos to see just how effective our price action and mt4 indicator strategies really are. Hopefully you'll like what you see. So that's the video for this week. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.